How to get paid 2 days early with Chime Direct Deposit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular features that sets Chime apart from traditional banks, getting paid up to 2 days early with Chime Direct Deposits. If you're tired of waiting for payday to finally hit your account, Chime has a game-changing solution that can help you get your paycheck faster with no hidden fees or gimmicks. In this video, I'll walk you through on how you can go ahead and get the early direct deposit that works with Chime, how to set it up, and what you need to know to make sure that it runs smoothly every time. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's start with the basics. What is early direct deposits with Chime? So, what does it mean to get paid early with Chime? Simply put, Chime gives you access to your paycheck up to 2 days before your official payday. Let's say that your job normally pays you every Friday. With Chime, that same deposit could land in your account as early as Wednesday, giving you faster access to your money without waiting for the standard bank processing delays. It's completely free, automatic one setup, and available for most types of direct deposit payments, including paychecks and employers, government benefits like Social Security or unemployment, and gig economy payouts in some cases like DoorDash or Instacart. So basically, how does Chime do this? How it works is that most traditional banks wait to post your paycheck until the pay date listed by your employer. Chime, on the other hand, releases the funds as soon as they receive notification from your employer's payroll provider, which is often around 1 to 2 days early. So it's not a loan or an advance, it's just faster processing. There's no catch, no credit check, and no fees involved. Now, what are the requirements to get paid early with Chime? To get early direct deposit, you'll need to meet these basic requirements. Number one is that you must have a Chime spending account. Two is that your employer or benefits provider must support electronic direct deposit or ACH. And lastly, you must set up direct deposits using your Chime routing and account numbers. There's no credit checks, no minimum balance, and no monthly fees are required. You just need to set it up the right way. So, how to set up the Chime direct deposit? Step 1, you want to log in into the Chime application. So you can just open up your Chime mobile application and tap on the Move Money at the bottom of the screen. From there, you then want to tap Set up Direct Deposits. Chime will show your routing number and account number, so you can either copy and paste the numbers into your employer's payroll portal or tap Get Completed Form to download a pre-filed direct deposit form that you can hand to your HR. So, you want to go ahead and give info to your employer or payroll. If your employer uses a system like ADP, Gusto, or Paychecks, just log into their online portal and update your direct deposit info using your Chime details. If they don't have an online system, you can hand them the direct deposit form. Once again, you can download the pre-filled form on the Chime website. Once that's submitted, your paycheck will start hitting your Chime account, and depending on your employer's processing time, you could get your money up to 2 days early, starting with your next paycheck. So, how long does this take to activate? Most employers take 1 to 2 pay cycles to process the new deposit information. So, if you have submitted your form today, you might not get paid early on your very next paycheck, but probably by the one after that. So, how to know when your paycheck arrives? Basically, Chime makes this part easy too. As soon as your paycheck hits, you'll get a push notification. The deposit will show up instantly in your spending account, and you can immediately use it with your Chime Visa debit card to pay bills or transfer it into your savings. No holds, and of course, no waiting. Now, what are the common troubleshooting tips if you don't get paid early? let's quickly go over what to do if your paycheck doesn't arrive early. Number one is that your employer may not send the payroll file in advance. Not all employers submit their direct deposit files early enough for Chime to process them second days ahead. In those cases, you'll still get paid on your regular payday. Now, if your direct deposit info wasn't entered correctly, that is another problem. You can just go ahead and double check your routing and account numbers in the payroll system. One typo can basically delay everything. And the last troubleshooting tips is that it's your first paycheck. Some payroll systems take around 1 to 2 cycles to update your payment info, especially if you just change banks. If it's been more than 2 pay cycles and you're still not getting paid early, you want to contact Chime support for help. Now, what are the other Chime features that complement early pay? Once your direct deposit is active, you can unlock more Chime features automatically with the Spot Me Overdraft Protection, which covers up to $200 when you're short on cash. You have free, no overdraft fees, and based on your deposit history. Another feature is the savings automation. Automatically move a portion of your paycheck to savings, or use Roundup to save a little every time you spend. And lastly, you have the credit card builder, which is optional. You have no interest, no fees, and helps you build credit using your own money. It's great for beginners or anyone rebuilding their credit. And so, finally, is it safe? Yes, Chime is backed by FDIC-insured partner banks like the Bancorp Bank and Stripe Bank, which means that your money is protected for up to $250. Plus, you get real-time transaction alerts, card freezing features in the application, and lastly, 24/7 customer support through chat and email. So guys, basically there you have it. That's how you get paid up to 2 days early with Chime Direct Deposit. It's fast, it's free, and it's one of the easiest banking upgrades that you can make, especially if you want more flexibility and control over your money. Once again, you can then go ahead and enable this from the Chime application. Tap on the Setup Direct Deposit. Chime will now show your routing number and account number. And from there, you can then copy and paste the numbers into your employer's payroll portal. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.